something. Why is it that only when we turn 50 do we realize that nature is the best healer, that nature is the cheapest and most readily available counselor with us? Why is it that we are ready to spend so much of money to give to the counselor and the psychologist and so many other people or doctors, but we are not ready to be with the nature? Because nature can actually take away all our anxiety, can give us loads of peace. So all young people out there, try this doctor. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. Okay?